Clever girl. Clever girl. Keep it going. Give it a push. That's it. Here you are. Give it a push. That's where the hole is. Yeah, you clever girl. How do you clever girl? That's the where it comes out. See, she got another one, Bilbo. Isn't she clever? Isn't she clever? Can't you not one out for him? Give it a push, give it a shove. That's the ticket. And again. And another one. Clever girl.